In the midst of the current pandemic, preventative measures are a key element in combating the spread of COVID-19, especially in public spaces and also hotel rooms. Many objects in hotel rooms are hard to disinfect, such as phones, guest directories, and remote controls. This is why it makes sense to reduce the surfaces to be disinfected to a minimum. In this video, we're going to show you how your SweetPads can help you to make hotel room disinfection easier and more efficient, as well as other COVID-19 related best practices. Number 1. You've probably already uploaded your guest directory to the SweetPad backend. Now is a good time to eliminate other paper collateral, such as spa brochures or TV guides. Our account managers are happy to provide you with examples and best practices. Number 2. Remote controls are tedious to clean and nearly impossible to disinfect. Use the infrared blaster on your SweetPad 8 Mark III to control the TV. We are happy to set it up for you. Number 3. Phones too are hard to clean and can be replaced by SweetPad Phone. Number 4. In-room dining is becoming more important for many guests. If you don't already have SweetPad's room service feature live in your hotel, feel free to reach out to us to discover how easy contactless orders can be. Number 5. If you are thinking about restricting the number of guests in the breakfast area or requiring reservations to enter the dining hall, consider using SweetPad's intuitive reservation tool. Number 6. In order to keep human interactions during the pandemic to a minimum, you can also give guests the option to contact the front desk via message from the SweetPad. Number 7. Controlling lights and AC via the SweetPad is another hygienic way for guests to interact with their hotel rooms. Talk to us to find out if your GRMS system is compatible with SweetPad. And finally, number 8. We have compiled a series of COVID-19 prevention content based on the WHO's recommendations for preventative measures. This content is free for you to incorporate onto your SweetPads. Just get in touch with your account manager and we'll activate the tile for you. We hope this short video provides you with some useful information on how to reduce the number of hard-to-clean surfaces in the hotel room and replace them with easily disinfectable alternatives. In a second video, we have compiled advice on how to disinfect SweetPads effectively. We wish you all the best in these trying times. Contact us here or mail your account manager directly if you have any questions.